Alright, now we've got our Sun drive gear with our axle installed, and it's got a hole for a drive rod, so we're going to fetch out of our axles and shafts a Planet drive rod, which also does the Sun. It takes 4 of them, and this little rod here is a Planet drive rod / Sun drive rod, and we're going to grab it with our pliers, and we're going to raise our arbor press, and we're going to swing our gear under the corner of the press. We're going to stick our rod right there on our gear, hopefully successfully, and we're going to press it into the gear just like that. And that's all there is to that. And we may just adjust it just a little bit, and there it is. There's our drive rod installed in the drive gear. The next step is we're going to take this drive gear and we're going to press it into the main gear, which may require repositioning of the handle. And we'll go chunk, and into the main gear it goes, just like that. We're going to verify that it spins freely on our main gear, which it does on the bearings. And this is part of the thing that people talk about, our methods of actually using the bearings versus the way that it would have been done in prehistoric times. We're using bearings because the bearings will reduce the friction. And now we're going to put our intermediate gear in as well, and we'll probably employ the press for that. We'll just pick it up and scrunch it right into the main gear point, just like that. And now we have a 2-gear assembly, and we'll verify that they turn freely and verify that they're close to the same height and they mesh well. I like to always start installing with my rod to the outside on this one. And now we'll install our link connector gear, our 12mm hub, and our 6mm shaft, our hex shaft. And we'll just put them in the gear just like that. A little bit of finger pressure should fit them in, and they should fit pretty close to flush right there. And then we'll give us a spacer to ensure that we don't have friction build up. We'll put our spacer on, and then we'll get our Sun 40 inner gear, and we'll install it riding side down on the 6mm hex shaft, and we'll get it right there like that and push it all the way down. And so now we should be able to turn the squared adapter, which is going to fit into the center plate, the mid plate, and we'll drive our Sun gears. As the main gear gets turned around, it'll drive the Sun gears like that. And there we have it.